Hello second graders, it's Miss Collins again. We are going to do another science experiment and we're going to see what happens with the water. Maybe we'll see some rain, lightning, I don't know. We'll see. So this is boiled water. Be very careful and make sure you're doing this with a parent, or you can warm the water up in the microwave, but still be very careful. Make sure you're doing it with a guardian or somebody that's there that can watch. Then you're going to pour the hot water into a glass jar or some type of jar. And now I'm going to let it sit and I'll be back. Okay, so the water that I boiled, that I put in the cup, I am now going to pour out. This was just to warm up the cup. And then I put some water in another cup, and this water I put in the microwave. And I'm going to pour it in the cup. And then I'm going to put a plate on top. And then I'm going to put some ice on top. It's on top, and now I'm going to sit and I'm going to watch and see what happens to the water. So you may have to wait about 3 minutes or more, somewhere around there. We're going to see what happens to the cup. Okay, friends, let's look and make an observation. That means we're going to look and see what happens. What do you notice? So in this experiment, the water cycle is responsible for producing rain. Liquid water evaporates, sending water vapor into the atmosphere. When the water vapor reaches the cooler air in the upper atmosphere, so up top, it condenses back into water droplets. That's why we're seeing this water droplets. Oh, we just caught one falling down. The water droplets are forming the clouds. Let's think. If too much water condenses, or if the temperature becomes colder, the condensed water will fall back down to the earth and it will form rain. So we have just made rain. Yes, we see them falling. Good job. So in this experiment, we watch the conditions on how to produce rain. First, we let the heated water that we boiled on the stove form water vapors inside the jar. Then we poured it out, and then we poured more warm water in there. The warm water vapor filled the space, so it filled all this space between the water surface and the plate. We then added the ice, which is now doing what, my friends? Melting. Why do you think it's melting? Because it's not cold enough. It's warm, right? Okay. So it caused the water vapor to condense because it did a quick temperature drop. So that's why it's raining. This was visible as water droplets that beaded down the side of the cup in the jar. This is how rain happens. We made it rain inside the cup. Now you try it at home with a parent. Bye.